Ever pondered the enigma of how E. coli navigates from the humble farm to your dinner fork? It's a journey that takes place behind the scenes, unbeknownst to many, and understanding it is crucial for food safety. E. coli, or Escherichia coli to give it its full name, is a bacterium that resides in the guts of animals, predominantly cattle. It's on these farms where our journey commences. The bacteria thrive in the intestines and are expelled through the animal's feces. If farming practices are not up to par, these bacteria can contaminate the surrounding environment and the crops grown there. From the farm, the journey continues as the produce is harvested and transported to processing facilities. Here, if the bacteria are present and the proper cleaning and handling methods are not followed, they can spread to other produce, multiplying their numbers. The next stop is the grocery stores and markets. Here, the tainted produce or meat products come into contact with other food items, spreading the E. coli bacteria further. It's at this point that the bacteria can make the final leap to your fork, when the contaminated food is cooked and consumed. Sounds ominous, right? However, understanding this journey from farm to fork is the first step in prevention. By maintaining stringent hygiene practices at each stage, the spread of E. coli can be minimized. This includes proper cleaning of farming equipment, thorough washing of produce, safe food handling and storage practices, and of course, cooking food to the right temperature to kill any lingering bacteria. The journey of E. coli from farm to fork is a complex interplay of factors, from farming practices to food preparation. It's a reminder of the importance of diligence at every step of the food chain to ensure the food that ends up on our plates is safe to consume. The most common strains of E. coli that cause outbreaks are Shiga toxin-producing E. coli. These strains can cause severe food poisoning, with symptoms including stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting. Among the many strains of E. coli, some are more notorious than others. E. coli O157H7, for instance, is one of the most commonly identified Shiga toxin-producing E. coli in North America. This strain alone can cause severe illness and even death. Then there's E. coli O104H4, a strain that caused a serious outbreak in Germany in 2011, leading to numerous hospitalizations. Another strain, E. coli O26H11, has also been associated with human illnesses. These strains are particularly harmful and have been responsible for major outbreaks worldwide. Understanding these strains is key in our fight against foodborne illnesses. Prevention practice from farm to fork is the most effective way to combat these outbreaks. This includes implementing rigorous hygiene practices on farms, during food processing, and in our kitchens. The current data on E. coli outbreaks shows a trend towards increased incidences, highlighting the need for continued vigilance and prevention strategies. But remember, by understanding the journey of E. coli from farm to fork, we can all play a part in breaking the chain and ensuring the food we eat is safe. Let's delve deeper into this issue by examining some data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC. Every year, there are an estimated 265,000 E. coli infections in the United States alone. The most common sources of these infections are contaminated food and water, but person-to-person contact in families and childcare centers can also cause outbreaks. The impact on public health is significant, with approximately 3,600 hospitalizations and 30 deaths each year linked to E. coli. These sobering numbers underscore the importance of prevention and control measures in the fight against E. coli. Remember, every step we take towards prevention not only protects us but also contributes to general public health safety.